Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your info on Experian. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and update your new address on Experian. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, first we're going to log on to Experian.com. Next, we're going to click on account on the upper right hand corner, then click on your account. Now from this page here, if you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to be able to see all your personal information. So once you see all your personal information, you just got to click on this pencil icon and it'll allow you to actually go ahead and edit and update your information. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your information on Experian. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.